Selam Aleyküm Çakalıkım Tatar halkının dostları, hürmetli hanımlar ve beyler. I want to greet you and thank you for your interest to the problem of the Crimean Tatar people and active support at the international level. I want to express my gratitude to all member states that supported the resolution the situation with human rights in Crimea, adopted by the UN General Assembly. We call on the international community to send a note of protest to Russia so that they ensure the rights of the Crimean Tatars as the indigenous people of Crimea. Namely, to conceal the decision on prohibition of the Majlis of the Crimean Tatar people and allow it to work as a legitimate representative body of the Crimean Tatar of the territory of Crimea and in execution of the intermediate decision of the United Nations International Court. To conceal all criminal cases opened against political prisoners. Release Ruslan Hitulayev, who has already been on a hunger strike for 20 days against his unlawful arrest. To investigate disappearance of Ervin Ibragimov and 10 other Crimean Tatars and bring guilty people of justice. They release the detained Nedim Khalilov and allow him to live in his own house in Crimea. To conceal the conscription to the armed forces of the Russian Federation on the territory of Crimea. To the authorities of Ukraine, call on Parliament of Ukraine to adopt the law on indigenous people of Ukraine and ratify ILO Convention 169. To develop a national action plan for indigenous people and a humanitarian response plan for Crimea. The Crimean Tatar people needs the support of the international community and human rights organizations, as the timely reactions of the international community to the violation of human rights in the occupied Crimea can save people from torture, save their lives and freedom. Families and children of political prisoners and missing persons need not only material but also moral support, and any reaction you show gives hope for the release and return of their fathers. Thanks to the active position of the International Human Rights Organization and civil society in 2016 important resolution on Crimea were adopted by the European Parliament and the UN General Assembly. We need your support. We are ready for active and systematic cooperation. We are sure that only with the active joint counteraction to gross violation of human rights in Crimea, we will be able to protect not only the indigenous people of Crimea, the Crimean Tatars, but the whole world. Thank you for attention.